Today I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. If you need a break from Instagram, this is the perfect solution. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on the profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Now here, tap on Account Center. Go to Personal Details. Here you can find account ownership and control. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now simply choose Deactivate Account as we are going to deactivate account. This will temporarily deactivate your account. Now you may need to enter your password for security reasons. Once you've entered your password, simply click on Continue and tap on Temporarily Deactivate your account. Your account will be deactivated for as long as you want, and you can reactivate it anytime by logging back in. And that's it, you've successfully deactivated your Instagram account.